Yo, what's up? It's Ben with Digital Dreams, and today we're in San Jose, finishing up a 2-day install, 12 cameras, alarm, 4-door access control. So this is our second location we're installing for SEIU. We did the Sacramento location. This is San Jose location. We have 2 more that we're going to be going to, I think, Chatsworth and then Stockton next. Shout out to Lawton. Thank you, Lawton, for hiring us. Shout out to Alex again, my boy Alex. Thank you for matchmaking us again on this next one. This location had an existing surveillance system that was all analog. We had to rip all the wires out, pull all new Cat 6 in. And that's what we're doing here for the next couple days. Pulling out their old access control. Got Brian ripping that out. And their old alarm and installing all new. Ow. So we had to break into the old alarm system, take that guy apart, put the new Verkada BP41 inside. So we got a BP41, which is the alarm panel. We have an AC41, which is the access control. And Brian right here is working on the front door, taking apart their existing access control and adding our new wires.
Identifying, making progress. Just found out this is carrying the command from their A-phone system to unlock doors that they can ring from their front desk there. So identifying these is good because we need all those to feed back into the AC41 so they can continue to unlock doors from the A-phone through Verkada.
Exactly. So they had an existing A-phone system where you can talk to who's at the door and buzz them in and be like, hey, who are you here to see? They're not here, or buzz them in. So they can let them in 2 different ways. The A-phone system will talk to the Verkada system, or they can just use the Verkada app and buzz them in.
Ow! I knew I was gonna do that.
Let's see. Are you bleeding?
A little bit. Well enough.
Tony ripping out the old LTS. Pretty big attic space in here, which is good because sometimes you get a building with like a teeny tiny attic space, you can't do nothing, so that's cool. So right above there, that gray device, that's the old A-phone system. And Brian's installing the new Verkada AD32 card reader.
Identified our wires. Tony's got, I think, most of the camera wires pulled in, the new ones. It's looking all right.
Second AD32.
Their environmental sensor can detect, of course, smoke and temperature and then other pollutants in the air, particulates and things like that.
Yeah, so in their network room is where they're installing that Verkada SV1 or SV11, the environmental sensor, so they can make sure that their network room is not overheating, to check on all their switches and all that stuff. Switches, the alarm. And And that panel he was removing was the old alarm panel. This is a glass break sensor we were just working on. Dude, it is hot. Like, I could feel like all the heat from the attic up here.
Look at that. Bam. That's it. Quick. The old ones, you have to fight it. You won't go in.
So Tony, we got these new easy Cat 5, Cat 6, Cat 6A PoE Plus rated easy on connectors with a brand new crimper. This is Tony's first time using them. So it's his favorite crimper, favorite connector so far. Pretty good.
Boom. Easy peasy.
So in a lot of the existing camera locations is where we're just ripping down and putting up the new ones, but where the holes are of the existing cameras, the old cameras, the wire came straight to the middle of the camera, and we had to adjust our hole in the drywall because the Verkada camera wire, or the mount for the camera on the plate, comes out the back, not the center. So that's what Tony was doing. He was just refishing that wire from one side to the other. Yo, that's it, we're done. 12 cameras, 4 doors, alarm. We're out of here. See you guys in the next one. Later. So that's it, another Verkada install done. Access control, alarm, environmental sensor, and cameras all in one. The only thing this customer doesn't have yet is Verkada Guest to track every visitor that's coming in and out, which we'll show you on another video that we just did yesterday in San Francisco at a company called Candid Health. But if you guys haven't looked up Verkada or looked up the Verkada platform, reach out to us. Let me show you a demo. Dude, wait, and once you see this stuff, it's gonna be like night and day compared to any other system you've seen. It's crazy. So check us out on the next one. See you guys later. Bye.